fishing fam? Welcome back to another episode of Has Life Fishing. Today is a beautiful day outside. It's an overcast day. Air temperature is about 66 right now, 67. It's gonna warm up to about 80 in the afternoon. Water temperature, I don't know about that yet. Their barometric pressure temperature is catch some fishing time. That's what time it is. So we're gonna go out here and catch some big largemouth bass. And I don't have any sort of bait that we're gonna use today. We're gonna switch it up. We're gonna use chatterbait. We're gonna use jigs. We're gonna use some swim bait. Definitely some soft plastics. Probably some crankbait too. So if any of that interests you, excites you, you want to learn how to fish with it, go ahead, tune into the video. We're gonna be at the lake. This lake particular, I fished it from the bank. I haven't kayak fished it yet. You can't really fish it from the bank. There's not a lot of bank spots. I know people do fish this lake, but as far as kayak fishing, I haven't seen anybody fish it yet. So we should be good. This lake should be a good lake to fish. A lot of lakes out here are highly pressured. These people fish them a lot, overfish them. So bass, you know, they're finicky. Sometimes you might catch them, and then sometimes you go back to the next day or next week and you get skunked. You won't catch a thing. Now, I know you, just like me, myself, a lot of people out there, we go out and we get skunked, you guys. Like, you can't avoid that. That's gonna happen. Me personally, I'm new to fishing. I've been fishing now since June of this year. It's now September. And I love it. Like, I love every bit of it. I started this YouTube channel once I found out my love for fishing, and now I can share my love with fishing with you guys that love fishing as well. Then we can all just help each other out, learn the fishing community, grow, and yeah, get on some fish. There's a couple subscribers that have been hitting me up and that want to go fishing. If you want to go fishing, drop a comment below. You can hit me up in my Instagram, which is also, you know, below. I'll put the link on there too as well. I'm always open to go fishing with anybody, everybody. You know, it's one big fishing family. You know, we got to look out for each other. You show me some spots, I'll show you some spots, and we can get on some fish, all right? And, you know, if you want to keep the spot secret, I got no problem with that. I don't like telling everybody all about my stuff, because then you guys go there and you fish it all, and then I can't catch no fish. And then what? Then I don't have a channel. If I can't catch no fish, I ain't got no channel. I mean, there's a couple episodes where I ain't catch no fish, but hey, that happens, all right? But yeah, if you like what you like, hit the like button, comment below, and please subscribe and watch the video throughout. Don't just be skipping through the video. You know, that really helps the channel so that the YouTube algorithm, you know, they'll put it up, and, you know, my video will be shown more. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I don't know. There's people that know the algorithm, but, you know, I didn't go to college, so you know, but I'm a pretty smart guy. So yeah, let's get on some fish. I just pulled up at the lake, backed up. Let me get the kayak off the rack, and I'll see you down there. Got one. Little one. Ooh, he ate it. He ate it. There we go. A little dink on the jig. Let's let him go. Bye-bye. There we go. Usually this catch the big fish, but hey, that little dink said, I'm hungry, I'm about to eat it. I ain't mad at him. So I'm just yo-yoing it, just casting it out there, and then hitting the little yo-yo across the bottom. I can feel it hit the bottom. You can feel it drag across the bottom. Hopefully I can get y'all with my signature today. It's been a while since I caught a big one. heron over there. Look, I'm minding my business, alright? I'm leaving you alone. Just leave me be. Had to go retrieve my bait out the tree. I smacked it with the paddle. Oh yeah. Just like that. I just got my bait out the tree, then I toss it over there and he eats it instantly. Another dink. Oh, quick release. Why did I do that? Quick release. I should have just picked him up, but I was trying to get more attention so I could move my rod out of the way because I had it too close. He ate it as soon as it hit, right up under that tree. Let's see what else is under there. These dinks is loving my bait. Hey, but we didn't get skunked like last time. Sheesh. The other day on the kayak, man. Oh man, hung up on that stick over there. Whoop, this spot's dead. Whatever fish was under this tree are gone now. Oh well. Let's go to the other side. I'm getting dinks over here on this side. Let's see what's over there. Well, while we're headed over there, let's see if we can catch anything right out in the middle of the lake. Caught one again. So this is the biggest one of today. Whew, that's a good one. I saw this point right here. I didn't even hold up. I'm having technical difficulties. There we go. So I had right over here, you guys see it. I saw this point going over to where I wanted to go at, and I was like, man, let me just toss something right up in here, and sure enough, got one to hit. It's a pretty good one too. Something wrong with him. It looked like he got hit on the top of the head or something. But he's definitely been caught before. All right, buddy. Time for you to go. There we go. He's gone. Right up in this tree. I was like, let me toss some stuff up in here. Just saw the spot. Second cast in it. Uh-oh. Don't want to get caught up. Second cast into the tree. And boom. Pull the biggin out. Well, not a biggin, but the better one. My best one of the day so far. That's number 3. We doing good with this jig. This jig has been working. Let's see if I can pull another one out of there. I mean, I know it was just right up on it, so I doubt. So probably spooked, but hey, it's worth a try. We going big jig and we just yo-yo fishing. Right up and down the bank. Looking for the big bass. Looking for the big bass. Got another one. Nothing too big. A little dink. Little feisty one right here. Oh, quick release. Oh man, you ate my stuff, man. You ate my leg. This jig has been the juice. It's catching them all. There's a lot of dinks in this lake. Oh man, it's been a good day so far. Been out here enjoying this nice weather on the kayak. This Cheeto Bandito on my football head jig has been working out great. It's been doing wonders for me. That's all I've been doing, fishing it, yo-yoing it, fishing the bank. I haven't even been fishing, you know, the middle of it. Just the bank fishing, simple, end of summer, fall fishing. Can't go wrong with it. All right, let's see if I can go out here and catch some more. See y'all. Dang. Something just had my leg. Let's see if I can get him again. There we go. He came back for it. Ooh. Sheesh, something attacked him. Something attacked this one. Hold on a second. There we go. A little dink, but look at the other side of him. Hold on. See that? He got attacked by something right there. Just let him go. Bye-bye. Whew. This thing caught 4 fish before they kicked the bucket. Got another one sitting right here. This bandito bug. It's the juice. Oh, something got me right at the boat. I'm sitting over here reading this sign, and this thing got me at the boat. That's funny. That is funny. Nothing big. These dinks are just loving this thing, man. They are loving this big jig. That's funny to me. Got another one. Oh. It popped right out. Let me see if I can get him again. I most likely won't be able to, but we're gonna try. It wasn't anything big. Alright, well that's it. Let me wrap this up. I had a pretty good day out there on the water kayaking. It was a beautiful day. Caught a bunch of bass, mainly dinks, but hey, it's better than getting skunked. So tune in next time. As always, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.